Ago. Amen. Ago. Amen. Ago. Amen. Me mamuachi. Muhuti say. Sana ye. Maye shasi ye beto new answer. Memowacho, Maui memowachi, memowacho, Ama memowachi, memowacho, Soraya memowachi, memowacho, Kela memowachi, memowacho, Nuito memowachi, memowacho, Chibu memowachi, memowacho, Esu memowachi, memowacho. Machi wa memowachi, memowacho, and cousin memowacho, memowacho. Hey, Abba! Ata Abba! What? I have memowachi, memowacho, Fifi memowachi, memowacho, Amara memowachi, memowacho. So first we'll look at a proverb. Why not when you say idea win idea? And to my band. Aha, a kente and to my band. Study a frat into my me frat into my me frat into my I can't me frat into my me frat into my listen to my effect. Now, sa into my way, if I kente, now, sa into my way, I'm Kasana Odin, and this very kente has a name. Oba Confor. I can't Oba Confor. Oba Confor. Mumai. Oba Confor Mumai. Now, brother, I can't say Oba Confor Mumai. I said, you say. One person song. And Oba Confor. Nipa Baco.
One person where? One person where?
David.
One person clothing.
And then I on mine. Ghana mine. Ghana mine. Nigeria mine. Angola mine. Senegal mine. Togo mine.
Sweet mine.
What? Oh, really?
America mine. And then I on mine. Ghana mine, Togo mine, Benin mine, Nigeria mine, Cameroon mine.
The place? One person.
Land.
Country. Which means you can translate as a land, like the land of Ghana, the country of Ghana. Ghana mine. He say about for more mine.
One person's cookies. One person's dress. One person land.
About for more mine.
One person doesn't have a land. One person doesn't have a land.
Oh, there. About for more mine.
Does it mean like not?
Say, Nana Kufuado.
This is not one person. One person. This is not.
About
One man doesn't have land. One man doesn't own the whole land. One man does not
You just
own
say
the whole.
close. You just say.
I open.
So I'm close. One person doesn't own the whole land. The whole land is
Say, Nana Kufuado na Obu for my Ghana.
the president doesn't own the whole land.
I feel Trump na Obu on my America.
This is not his land.
Magufuli na
This
Obu
is
on
not
my
one person's
Tanzania.
land. He doesn't own the land.
Maybe. What can I say that? No, you already said that.
Exactly. Sit there like
Who? To rule. And the brother talks about who move mine.
So one man doesn't rule the land. What's the difference from what I said?
Because you said one person doesn't own the land.
He said one man doesn't own the land too.
But that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for one person doesn't rule. I see, understand. So what does that mean to you?
Like, to be in the country, whatever that you have to do, you have to make sure that the people, the citizens, will be able to, will be comfortable with that decision.
Move. One second. So what I see? I feel interested. Tikron I feel interested. Tikron ejina.
Zikrongo ejina.
Anka tikron ejina.
The tikro is there. Isn't it? The tikro is there.
And then I tea.
Hey.
Tea. Tikro.
Head, one head.
Go.
One head is there.
Nko ejina.
One head is doesn't go. One head ain't going. One head counts. One head.
Nko ejina.
One head is not a council.
Bibisa. Go. Or one head doesn't go into council. Actually, I said, I drink today and then I drink patois, which means that it's sharing of ideas. What I said? After they say, Nyansa ni obako trim.
Get a chair there.
Nyansa, Maika, Nyansa. Maika, Nyansa ni. Obako trim. Nyansa ni obako trim.
The Obako is smart. One man, one person is smarter than the whole. One person has Nyansa in the head. What does Nyansa mean?
Nyansa.
Knowledge.
David.
Hey, what is Nyansa?
Wisdom. Name them called Nyansa.
One person wisdom is not enough. One person's knowledge is
Nyansa
enough.
ni
One man's knowledge is not
Wisdom
enough.
not one man's.
Obaakofo 3.
One man's head is not enough.
One man's wisdom is not enough. Like you need other people to help him too.
Yeah.
2 heads are enough.
So, wisdom is not in one person's head. Nyansa ni Obaakofo 3. What I say? Nyansa ni Obaakofo 3. Nti manka Obaakofo mu man. Manka Obaakofo mu man.
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 Eh, Obaakofo mu man. Oh, Obaakofo mu man.
Obaakofo mu man.
Obaakofo mu man.
Obaakofo mu man.
Ti kronko ejina. 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 Obaakofo mu man. Obaakofo mu man. Obaakofo mu man. Obaakofo mu man. Ti kronko ejina. Ti kronko ejina. Ti kronko ejina. Ti kronko ejina. Obaakofo mu man. Obaakofo mu man. Eh, Obaakofo mu man. Oh, Obaakofo mu man. Ti kronko ejina. Ti kronko ejiti. Ti kronko ejiti. Kronko ejiti. Kronko ejiti. Kronko ejina. Oh.
Right. What does this have to do with kidney?
So this is the name of this kente. Every kente is a proverb or a saying or expression or a name.
So Obaakofo mu man
Is
is
the name of this. So if you see this and you just say, look, a pretty cloth, it means you don't know how to read. This is how you read. We wrote it into a cloth. That's because you're thinking about Latin characters. There are other ways to write other than Latin. Remember? So we invented writing before there were any Romans in the world. So they got their letters from African people. What is it? I don't know.
So when you first bought this, you could read it?
Yes.
How?
Wait. Watch it in Chrome. Wait in Chrome. Because this is what's called Chrome, which is the 9 tufts of hair. Like I said, after you walk cosine, and then you have the going and the coming. Aye. Mwatwa. And then you have the snail shell, Mwatwa. Afremo, which is the cannon. It is Nina, I want you to see it. Now, so Nina Boom, Obaakofo mu man. So all the individual parts have names, but all of it together is called Obaakofo mu man.
So you first looked at it, you was like, I don't know what this means.
No, my parents owned a bookstore and cultural center, and we had a kente chart, which is now on display at the Institute of African Studies. So I memorized all the different kente. And there were about 100 or so that I memorized. Avi, you be there, bro. Now we're going to play a game. Now, see, I told you, Masa, but we're going to sing a song before. When ya sika,
Lili, Freddy, Lombi, Bachariasi, DB, Freddy,
Ready, no me, So now we're going to play a game. Debbie. No, it's a new game. Maya Crab. Any of me here, Nipper Muno, Nipper Bear. Fancy. Because
I want to see how the game works before.
Go.
Mostly versus Anna? Some means don't do it.
I feel like that'll be the crazy of the
Don't sit down, Kwan.
hey, Kwame say, my cousin in this hour.
listen.
Aha, Marchamo. So we're going to play a game. Now, I'm going to say, your deacon be patient and sat or no, now on him and wire. So the first person to raise their hand is the one who knows the answer. Maybe someone some. So I'm going to ask various questions. Now, your deacon, one and Sasso.
Oh, I know.
Oh, now, will be So starting out with Amma and Kosi.
It was cute though.
Text me at lunch.
What's her name? Amma. Amma, good.
She likes to be called.
You. Ago.
Amen.
Ago.
Amen.
And see, if you say someone, you say what you mean by Sasso. So when I ask a question, you have to raise your hand. Well, with me, yeah, I'm going to walk. We'll be back. Why grab it? Because you want to grab it. At the same.
Did you guys raise your hand?
Have to raise your hand. Always raise your hand.
And see, that's 0 for both of y'all.
-1. That's a disqualification.
At the same.
You know everything, so let him go to get some.
Your friend was saying.
Oh, boy.
That was a tie.
No, I'm gonna raise my hand first.
What did you say?
Go, Lucy, go.
Great. Good job, Abba. Number the way mom. That when you get one, I give you a card.
Golden card.
What we gonna do?
You can do it.
Why did you just do
What's in here?
It's a hacho.
Oh, that's what it's called. Okay.
Acho. Acho ơi.
I just said that.
I need it.
I like those cards.
Oh wait, never mind. Gold. With them.
Who's in here?
With a Pokemon.
That was. It was a tie. It was a tie. It was a tie. It was a tie.
Dang.
Put your hand down.
Who's in here?
Wolfie is where you from? I knew you were from Ghana. You told me you were from Ghana. She did Trump.
Who are here?
She was born. Ty. Ty.
Who are here?
It's so Wait, what does that even mean? Which school do you go
Who
to?
are here? Who are here?
What does that mean? Isn't that where
Where
are
are you?
you? Where are you? That's how you say it. She said, where are you?
Now I'm out there. Me walk.
Well,
Abibifahodie, Adesuabea.
okay.
Who did the sign? Oh.
Pay attention to the
What's it? Oh, whoa. Mama, over here.
What?
Kosi has 4. How many cards you got, Kosi? We got 3 cards.
Where did you?
Pay attention. Bring your hand. Click.
Who been down?
Why are you looking down at your cards like that?
Okay, what does that mean?
Who been down?
What's that mean?
What do you want?
What's with pen?
What do I want? What does it mean, Alma?
What's my name?
What do I like?
What do you want?
So I say me pen, and then what do I like? Like food or shit.
The Abibifahodie, the pencil.
What's every card looks like?
How many amount?
Hey! You can already.
How she get found that quick?
What's that?
You just got. You can throw what? Pussy was too hard to check your cards. Pussy, don't look at your cards the whole time. Raise your hand like a thunderbolt.
If you wanted strawberries, you'd raise your hand in a heartbeat. How old are you?
What do you feel?
What's that mean?
How old?
My name is
What?
How old are you?
What do you feel? We did this last class. What do you
Why are you looking at your cards like that? I feel like you're cheating. Like the way you're just like, she was like, I did. Like, I swear, I'm thinking you wrote something down there.
No, I didn't write anything.
That is how old you are. How do you say 12? Did you say it?
do me a
Okay, that's not You're not 16.
And
Whatever. I'm
Jimmy's 10, right?
If Mark will die.
What's it here?
You take out.
Oh, that's all.
Whoa.
Just a few months. August.
Come on in, Coach. Stop looking at your cards.
Hey,
What's it here?
those cards down.
Oh, Kosi, you gotta be like
Be like that, really fast, okay?
Have your hand
Just put your hand up.
now.
That means-
When you look at these cards, I swear.
It does kind of look like it's something.
I know, right? She's just looking.
I'm gonna stop cheating.
I'm cheating. I'm looking at my thing.
She's no, she will look like.
And Kosi, hand up.
Looks like she's
Yeah, but I was saying.
Bruh.
You found it, Emma.
Oh my God.
Kosi.
You gotta shoot it up.
Aren't you supposed to cross it by now? Yes. You gotta give her another card.
No, he would have crossed at the bottom.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
It's like 7 or 7.
Who by that?
Oh!
I can't see it.
What's that? What's that? What is that?
That's how you write 10 in mathematics.
No, I'm saying, what is
Boy,
that
what
game?
you listen?
What's the game? What? Oh, what I like.
What change?
I like to eat.
Because you don't boy.
How many do you have?
10.
Count them. 4.
Book. Kasi, yung mga sama.
She's a tree master. That's her dad. What do you expect?
No, I'm saying the way she's looking.
You did good though.
Yeah, you did.
I'm doing it. But then you just gotta do
I did too
car shop. Fascinated.
Can I go and get Soraya?
She didn't do this. Do this in the country.
I'm sorry, King, but I'm voting for you.
King and I knew it all.
King, yes.
His real name is Nuator.
You realize I have a hard time pronouncing that? Yeah. Like I feel
How do you
like
write
it's
Nuit all?
It is right here.
N-Y-U-I-T-O-R.
Nuit is an African name. You should be proud of having an African name.
It sounds fun.
I like it just because I have a hard time pronouncing
It's just hard pronouncing it for me, that's all.
Nuit. So this is a beautiful African name. We want to encourage people who have African names.
So I'll call you Nuator. Say it again.
Nuit.
Nuator.
Chi. Chi or Chiameka.
Chi.
Since I know some people here would like to call my name something else.
cheesecake. Put cheesecake up there.
Baby, come up here.
See.
No. It's like cheesecake.
Are you serious?
Uncle Bartlett, when I comes up here, make sure to have a seal for me.
I don't care. That's my name. It's Chi.
Oh God.
Yo.
So to tell me, kick me in the stomach.
At the time.
And
Oh.
Tia, pay attention.
What the time?
Oh, Chi.
Who be here?
It was Chi. It was Chi.
What is it?
It was
Yeah.
Chi.
It was Chi.
Okay.
Chi. Look, he cheated. He got his hair on. Put your hair behind your head. Chi. No. And you said Wolfrey. Wolfrey hit.
Manfred Donna.
What's in here?
It was Chi.
It was Chi.
Everybody saw Chi.
King.
See.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Here's your golden card.
You want me to tap it? I ain't know what you Who want me to tap?
What's the same name? She needs to know.
What's his name?
What is it?
Apple.
What should I say? Oh.
Come on, Chi. Answer it. You don't know what to say.
Now.
What was the question though?
Apple.
This is what I like.
Apple.
I don't know what that is. Write that down on the board.
I don't know what. Isn't that like good morning?
Good morning, Machi.
So when we say Apom, we're asking about how the inside of your joints is another way of asking how you're doing. Apom.
So what they
You
said?
can say Bokor.
They said good. Say Bokor, cheese.
We'll come back to that one.
Yeah. I'm looking to see who is in here first.
Munyasika.
DB. That's not even a question. I know, right?
Yanara, Asasini.
That's ridiculous. If he would be doing song, that would be horrible up to him.
Munyatu Papa.
Fred. No.
Munyatu Papa. What's that?
That's you said you had That's not fair. And you know that's not fair.
No, that's not fair.
No, he said Nombi and DB. He didn't say Fred.
He said Fred before he said Nombi, but he got it right the first time. He didn't need to correct it. Your flow was that?
Yeah, Remy King. Hey, Chi of Mecca. Get your arrow behind together, Chi. It's behind not arrow.
What?
It was a tie. It was a tie. Y'all didn't see nothing. That's cheating.
Apom.
Yeah, John.
What's what?
Wash your hair. So much sand in her. I can't wait to see.
What to say?
It was me. What? Yeah. Say the answer, Cheese. Say the answer.
If somebody doesn't get it, we'll go for another one. So we
Would that mean she didn't take a point away from me? Wouldn't that be? Yeah, John? He said that who to say.
Yes! Puppet, please! Yay! A puppet has soul! What?
Well, what to say?
Oh boy. He got his.
Free hand.
You better do this.
See, come on. You
What's
need.
your hand?
It was cheese. It was cheese. It was cheese.
I know what meant to
Time.
chocolate card.
What did it say?
Oh, yeah.
Take it to the airplane.
Come on, King. You gotta try.
Go into the chair.
Come on, King. Come on, King. I'm looking for both.
When y'all survive.
Didi.
No,
Chi. It was Chi first who raised his
He got it. He raised his hand first, but he didn't get it.
Gravy. I don't know the difference. I know this. These were sisters.
About before?
Kɔtɔnimma, and you raising your hand and you have no idea what he said. I know it. You have what are you saying?
Anyway, about before Moonmine.
Moonmine, yes. And you said midnight. Shush!
I'm out enough. I said now, I said.
Yeah, what is that? That's the drama and That's not even a question.
Yasantua.
You should know this.
Please.
Come back.
No, that's not fair.
I haven't been doing it that way, so I can't start doing it in the middle of the game. In the next game, we can try it that way.
Oh yeah, we haven't sung that song in a while.
I did. I even remember that by heart and you just take it away from me.
I didn't remember from it. I'm not even
What's your
saying.
hand?
We forgot.
She come on, you still can.
I got
Yeah, but that was I.
think we're Mitchie.
That was she.
She has 1 to win. Rethought has 3 to win.
Come on, she.
Come on, King.
Who are you?
Only because he stood up.
No, what are you doing? Put this act up first.
That's what I like.
Oh no. What was the question?
Who are you?
What does that mean? Where are you? Oh,
Where?
I don't have to what? Where?
What do you feel?
Yes.
And then.
When do you feel 9? Or what? There. When do you feel 9?
Hey, it's just a question. It's just a question.
You have to answer right.
Yeah, turns out how old are you? How old am I? Yes. I am.
Don't tell him because you say
Here you
me.
go. You gotta get the answer right.
King doesn't steal.
Hey, do me a new.
Hey.
That's 12.
Who bet that?
Because you.
Why is that the only answer?
You like water?
2 more wins for King, 1 more win for Chief.
Come on, Chief.
What do you like?
Apom?
Whatever you want. Put your hand down, King. Put your hand down. I'll be excited here. Put your hand down. Y'all gotta.
Fom to say.
It was King.
Boko. That's.
Alright.
Maybe next time. Good job, King.
But come on, Chief.
Next 2.
That means you can cook. You have enough. You still have enough. I have to go pee.
On his keys. I'm going to give everybody 1 card, so when somebody gets one right, then you go up and hand the card to them. Everybody gets 1 card.
What is this? I'm not gonna let you
It's
do
a card that you're going to give to somebody who gets it. You have 1 person.
I'm not that good at cheese. We both learning, so.
I go! You call me auntie already. Okay.
Do you guys see this? Are you serious?
Ghana again. Go cheating.
Damn phone.
Just give it.
Yeah,
What day were you born on?
We were dating.
What's the day? What's your birthday?
July 17th.
All of a sudden,
What year?
that's a Passover.
Oh, yes, in July.
July 17th, what? 2004.
2010.
Stay off my time.
2010. 2010, you about to turn 8?
Yes, she is.
Then it might be 2009.
What?
Okay, we'll come back to that.
How you got
That's
to
your
all
turn.
of you?
That's your turn. Get up. Go for it. That's your turn.
But they don't know either.
They don't know what they
Look
do.
it up.
Well, they can.
I do.
At the time,
And
Oh, no, you have to raise your hand.
Every time you raise it.
That's the way. Good job, Essence. Keep going. Keep
Open that.
moving.
What?
all right. We're now going. If one person can't answer, the other person gets a chance to answer.
Yeah.
This is one of them.
That's where do you live, right? That's where you from. What do you like?
What do you like? Luckily, you got an answer that.
Oh, I like nacho. Yeah, I like where I live.
2017.
You're going to 2017?
It's your warm, you know. You have to.
Yep, I have to.
Okay. Your friend was saying
It's you. Miss Remy. It's you. It's you.
it's not me, friend me.
Where should I go? Bruh. There's a,
What?
Did he say your friend, Dad?
Your friend Kayla.
It's yeah, friend me, not me, friend me.
It's yes, friend.
So it's saying we call me, not I call myself.
I want that car.
All right.
Well, I wonder.
Who free hand?
It was at Miss. Oh, Hacho. Good. You were. It can't really be like that, but it can. I could be born in Hacho, but you weren't, were you? No. But she said Ghana. She was born in Chicago.
So this is a different question. When I'm saying who free hand, you're saying you're from where?
Yeah.
Now where you're from may be different from where you're born. You may be born in a place, but that's not where you're raised. Whatever, so I'm considering whether you've been in Hacho long enough to consider yourself to be from Hacho.
No, it's so confusing.
I'll allow that.
Thank you.
What did they say?
It's Medindi Essence.
Yeah, Lord. You gotta be listening and put your hand up quick.
You have one and I have four. I like to see you try.
Still going in for. Still going in for me.
That's pretty.
Go back there. Go back there. Going in for.
Yes.
Nita.
I'm not eating them.
Who better?
If you say Med, I swear to God. Medpad. Medpad playing. I like playing.
Let me hit you.
But I know how to say playing shit. Medpad, I grow.
where did grandmother go?
But too late. What's in here? That's up the car now.
Oh my God.
Want to hit Connecticut. No, it's meant to Ghana.
It's meant to. Who to him is. Wait, I could have got
Mountain, you live where? You said Minton, then you say where you live now.
Where you live now? Minton. Oh, that's what I say. Hacho. Okay.
What do you feel here?
Ooh! If she don't get it, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. In your mind, yes. Mes dad, mes frères, Edu, Menu. You gotta give me that. You gotta give me that. That's up there. You gotta give me that.
It's too unintelligible. So say it with me. Madi. Yeah. Let's say the number. You said, I don't know what you said.
You gotta give that point to me. Give me a car. Give me a car. Is it how old are you?
What do you feel?
Oh.
Apom.
Boko. What? What's Boko?
At the time.
Don't give it to me. I saw that. It was Kayla.
Oh. Hey.
Where'd y'all go the whole time?
Oh my God. No, I am.
What to say?
Then who yet?
The princess.
I thought raise your hand if you have a card in your hand. Abibifahodie, Adesuabea.
You just answered.
I want that one. Where did you get these last cards from?
What is it? Yenara, assassin.
I told you, man. I told you. No! You ever do it songs? She know I'm sorry.
Unyasika.
Really, baby? Why? You're doing this on purpose.
Unyasika, papa.
Who was that? No, me, I said it.
Unyasika.
Hey. No, that was me. That was me. No, me. Give me a card. Somebody give me a card.
Oni panche. Moja na no shegu.
I don't know. Actually, I swear. Is she beating me? 7. I don't even know the American national anthem.
What you watching? What you in song? You have 8 years, 7.
Stop doing the song. You don't know.
Let's do it.
That's the only thing he knows. You give her all these.
Yes.
Ya Santua.
It's bio, something like that. This is not fair. We barely sing that song. We sing the anthem every morning. I know.
At the same.
Oh boy.
What did you say?
It's wrong. SEO. When you in a good mood, you say SEO. When you know you say SEO. Give me a card, people. A card.
Ooh, you're bringing some more.
Yay! had Rue, I like her. I got the first card. I got the and I got the throne.
Junior.
You just got the princess. Let me see. Can I see? Can I see? Can y'all give them all back, please? That's it. I know a lady.
Everybody should only have one card now. It's you.
15.
Good one.
Okay, let me see. Go see. I want her to say about set. I'm like, you know what? 15.
Everybody should only have one. Get up.
I can have it for life.
No, you can give it to whoever gets one.
You want to trade? You want to?
Fifi,
I want to trade.
you should only have one.
I want to trade.
No, you don't even have princess.
No, that's my
Who wants the princess?
Can we stop that?
She got big feet.
You know what you did? You have an African name.
Fifi, you can't have one.
And then,
No, you have like 15 cards. You got big one.
Look at him.
You got big one. You got the rest of it.
Why are you on your phone?
That's creepy. You gotta pick one. Fifi has a lot.
Camera one.
Isn't this person bad? Which one is the white one?
sometimes he does bad things, sometimes he's a protector.
Has anyone seen that hair? You said hair
I got that set.
Montanasi.
I saw a picture of a girl that has like a
Ago. I feel Mauvi in the Pavana.
I saw
a picture of a girl from Leopard because of the big one.
About Ufo.
Now, come on now. I think I'm for Junior. You can't give 3. You can only get 1. Let me see.
What did they say?
So if we get these cards, what happens?
What they say?
Here, give me this. Yeah.
Montanasi. Everybody needs one card.
I sent one.
You supposed to give it to me. I don't want to give away my little best set.
Pick one.
Yay!
Oh yeah, that's well. Okay.
Oh no!
Yeah, all these people is fast.
What do you fear him?
Don't you speak tree fluently?
You frozen.
Come on, Mommy.
Everybody, they should get another card. Do you have 2 cards?
Who are him?
My father.
But for your shirt, you said I did.
I love this shirt. I gotta put it.
You don't get it till later because you missed the last one.
Okay. I feel like it came.
Okay. You're right. This is
Test.
Yeah, because he doesn't get a point.
Who bet dying?
I gotta give you one.
Can you ask some interesting questions?
You already have the third.
The breath of
What's in him?
Excuse me.
Why are you asking them the same old questions?
I'm asking them what I know I've already done.
Yeah, but like, make it funny a little bit. Some like actual matters. And like, they keep saying in school, like, really, do you really want water? Come on. How do you say juice? Hey, I said plain. I said plain.
We are going to move and you.
I know some. Their breath are so long.
Who's your Tanya Bang?
Red. Hey, red. Is that tree? Red is not tree. Red is not tree.
What's your idea, man?
Yeah, I just said it. Okay, brother and sister.
This is a cat, this is a dog.
But I'm saying, I got the other one.
Yeah, and dog, but not
Who is the father? You said, who is the, I know this is our father.
He's also the son of, you see him as the son of Ra, also the son of
Ha! Brother is.
you. Abom!
You don't buddy like that. Here you go.
He's not.
I guess my brother. Stop. But I got it.
What was I?
Why does he have why does he have
What is he? What is he? Ya Santua, Ya Santua.
I can't hear
One way.
Yeah. See, that was my question right there.
you. You removed that question. That was my question.
And I would have lost.
Asante Maya Kaiwo.
Hey, Junior, just raise your hand.
That's only my
Mama name, yeah, who would die?
You got mine. You got mine. He's shining.
The ghost of
I have to be queen side, and I made
So you're saying,
not a cookie.
I'm just saying.
Not a
I know. The kisses were right here.
When you're to my pa?
You guys are going crazy.
Atunasio
He's getting
They're going crazy over here. Like, y'all be taking. Look at those two. Look at this fellow.
Who you dang?
You see, I did.
I did, baby. Look, they're not doing it to Junior. They're gonna like take mine. Especially I'm take it. Hard to Fifi, they got
The bro saying,
take the what?
y'all pay attention. Get some cars from the floor. I don't want my cars getting messed up. I don't want my cars getting messed up. Say my idea.
Can I have this car?
When we're done, I need 42 cars back because we're going to use it to learn something else.
But I love this little
yours.
all of them. They are so.
I'm sorry.
Some of them are ugly.
The person who made them came to Ghana and gave it to them.
Oh, you just saying?
Like, look at them. They bring it down. Would look like a foot.
Pick one.
Huh.
Pick one. Come on, pick one.
Give me my brother. Give me my brother. Who did I give you my brother? My brother.
Yeah, you got band, no? We need